Byzantine palace destroyed. This area remained empty, and Ottomans almost 200 or 300 years later they built up their Sultanahmet Mosque. And you can see at the left side some churches, old churches. As I said, those are Armenian churches mostly, because from Bakırköy to Kumkapı on the way, in the front, Armenian people settled here by the Muhammed al-Fatih. Topkapı Palace, Ayasofya, Sultanahmet, other Ottoman Empire Sultan mosques, all of them are taking place inside of Toulouse. If we look at the Ottoman mosques, if any mosque has more than one minaret, it means that it was built by the Ottoman sultans or their family members. In Sultanahmet, for example, 6 minarets. We have 6 minarets. It was the first one. 6 minarets have been built in one mosque. Even some people, some clerics criticized the Sultan at that time. You are building 6 minarets here, and even in the Masjid al-Nabawi